we're due for a 101. All right, guys, we're going to get started here with our first break. Now, this is an H2 box, so there's no guaranteed autos, but there are guaranteed numbered parallels. You guys are going to guess the player on the last numbered parallel for 20 in credit. If you get that correct, if you guess the right player on the last numbered parallel, you can use 20 in our store for any breaks, packs, or boxes. We're going to have 8 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. Good luck to everybody. Get your guesses in. We do have some spots left in our capstone break. If anybody wants to take those, that's our next break tonight. You can use that code Wednesday222 at checkout for 10% off. Let that scroll off here while we'll do this break. Good luck to everyone in this. Good luck to everyone making the guess. Here is pack. Well, let me clean this off. Here is pack number 1. We start off with DK Metcalf, Darius Leonard, Kyler Murray, Stephon Diggs. And we have Classic Beginnings, Chris Olave for the Saints. Najee Harris, that's going to be out of 125. That is 120 out of 125. And we got the Clinton Portis and Trent McDuffie rookie. On to our next pack here. We got Najee Harris, Brandon Cooks, Derrick Henry, Dan Marino, Jalen Hurts, and a number card. And this is going to be Brian Dawkins, 13 out of 125. That's going to go to the Eagles. We have Jerry Rice and Tyrion Davis-Price. On to our next pack. Again, guys, if you're just joining us, guess the player on the last numbered parallel in the break, and you can get 20 in credit. Here's Cooper Kupp, Christian McCaffrey, Jacoby Myers, Mike Evans. There's a Silver Classic Beginnings. That's Trayvon Walker for Jacksonville. Silver Patrick Mahomes, Eddie George, and we got a Kenny Pickett rookie. Get these top loaded here. Our guesses are for the last numbered parallel on this. There's no guaranteed autos, so we're guessing the player on the last numbered parallel. And guys, if you want to grab any spots in the remaining breaks tonight, there is that link pinned to the top of the chat. There's a link for tonight's breaks and a link for Friday's breaks. We will be breaking again on Friday. I won't have a chance to break tomorrow, so we'll do that next break on Friday. Again, there are spots tonight. There's a code at the top of the page when you click on that link to use that checkout to get 10% off any of the remaining spots. There's Austin Eckler, Marquise Brown. Then we got Dalvin Cook, Christian Watson rookie, Aaron Rodgers, and Javonte Williams, 31 of 75. Charles Woodson, Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Davis Mills, Ryan Tannehill. And then we got the transitions, Brett Favre. It's going to be Minnesota and Green Bay. We'll double check and see on the list. That will have to be random off at the end of the break. Then we got Devonta Smith on the gold here. This will be to 99. 53 out of 99 on the Devonta Smith. Then we got our legends, Jamal Lewis, Sky Moore. On to the next pack. Matthew Stafford for the Rams. Von Miller. Jerry Jeudy. Peyton Manning. Darren Waller. And then we have a gold, Antonio Gates, 93 out of 99. Eric Dickerson and Calvin Austin, the third rookie. Get a couple of these top loaded. If you guys are new with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you know when we go live. We'd appreciate it also if anybody watching would hit that like button. Up next is going to be our capstone first off the line hobby box PYT number 6. We did have a couple teams left in that before we started tonight, so if anybody wants to grab any teams in that capstone first off the line hobby box, do so now. On to our next pack, and again, you guys are guessing the player on the last numbered parallel out of this break. You can earn yourself 20 in credit to use for any breaks, packs, or boxes. There's Damian Harris, Zeke Elliott, Deontay Johnson, Kyle Hamilton, Optichrome rookie, Kyle Pitts. Then we have DeMarcus Ware, 29 out of 99. James Harrison and David Bell rookie. Excuse me, Matt Ryan on the Colts. AJ Brown for the Eagles. Cam Akers. Andrew Luck, Optichrome. Jalen Waddle. Then we have a green. This out of 25. Eddie George, 14 out of 25 going to Tennessee. Nice low numbered Eddie George there. Then Jonathan Ogden. James Cook rookie. We got 2 packs left. DJ Moore. Jameis Winston. CeeDee Lamb. Wan'Dale Robinson, Optichrome rookie. Drew Lock. Deontay Johnson on the purple wave. 25 out of 50 on a Deontay Johnson. Jack Lambert and Damian Pierce rookie. And our last pack, guys. So far, Deontay Johnson's the last numbered parallel. If we get one in this pack, that will be the guess. Good luck to everybody. We got Keenan Allen, Josh Allen, Mac Jones, Dak Prescott, Classic Monday Night Heroes, Thurman Thomas. Ooh, then we got a Bailey Zappi Classic Beginnings purple for the Patriots. That is out of 35. That is 7 out of 35. We can get that to focus. I don't think we're going to be able to. 7 out of 35 on that one. So Bailey Zappi, it looks like will be the guess. Let me go to the last couple cards here just to make sure. Ronnie Lott and Carson Strong was the rookie. Did anybody guess Bailey Zappi? If we had somebody guess Bailey Zappi, you get 25 in credit. Let's get these top loaded. Then we'll random off the Brett Favre card. That'll go between Green Bay and Minnesota. And then we will do a recap and then move on to our capstone break. Again, guys, on that capstone, we do have some remaining teams. There's a link pinned to the top of the chat if anybody wants to grab those. Let me pull up the randomizer here. We'll get started on this. All right, we're going to random off the transitions, Brett Favre. Here we are on the screen share. We have the Packers, Vikings, Packers, Vikings. I'll roll the dice. We got 4 and 6 for 10 times on the random for the Favre. Here we go. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We should have 10 times here. There's our 9th. 6 and 4 is 10. This will be the 10th and final. Whoever's in that top spot will get the card. Here we go. And it's going to be the Packers. The Packers were the last team in the 1 spot, so the Packers get the Favre. Congrats to the Packers spot. Again, this will go to the Packers on the transitions. We have Kyle Hamilton, rookie for Baltimore. Let me check something here on this camera. We're getting. I'll do it here later. All right. Here's the Kyle Hamilton, rookie Optichrome. Eddie George out of 25. Wan'Dale Robinson, rookie. Deontay Johnson, that's out of 50. 25 out of 50. Bailey Zappi, Classic Beginnings. That's going to be out of 35. 7 out of 35. DeMarcus Ware out of 99. 29 out of 99. Christian Watson, Optichrome rookie. Javonte Williams out of 75. Devonta Smith, this is going to be out of 99. 53 out of 99. Antonio Gates out of 99. 93 out of 99. Chris Olave, Classic Beginnings. Najee Harris out of 125. Again, Bailey Zappi was the guest on the last numbered parallel. We got Brian Dawkins at 125. Trayvon Walker, Silver Classic Beginnings. Silver Patrick Mahomes. And a Kenny Pickett rookie. All right, guys, that does it for break number 1. Real quick, I'm going to get the list set up for our next break, which is the capstone break.